Yeah, I mean, you know, you need, that's why I want you to understand all these areas of that we spend 48 years of research has been invested in creating this language, the language of the body. Why? Because when you communicate with the body, it's like psychotherapy. Uh, I'm also a clinical psychologist, and that's why I understood. That's when I really understood the importance of the language. It's like psychotherapy. It's like, you know, you get the body to kind of repair itself by filling in gaps that they, you know, repairing the proteins. What does the IELLIO do again? What does it do? It refolds the proteins. If the proteins are not folded, they're going to give nonsense signals. What's going to happen with nonsense signals? The cells during mitosis are not going to divide properly. The time is going to be off. Cancer will eventually be formed. So, or other things, the organs are not going to be communicating together properly. This is all a signaling process. So having a technology that can repair this signaling process that is vital for the body to function is crucial. This is health. This is real anti-aging. So it will repair the proteins. It will get rid of the inflammation. It will help to detoxify the system. It will, you know, and you said about mental illness. What is mental illness? Is based on neurotransmitters. Parkinson's. Will it help Parkinson's? Yes, it will. Why? Because it will balance the neurotransmitters. It will balance the dopamine. What is Parkinson's? Is a problem with dopamine. Depression is a problem with serotonin. That's another neurotransmitter. All it will help mental illness. It will help physical illness. Why? Because the body is not two things. It's not mind and matter. The body is one thing. It's body, matter, synchronized and working together. So yes, it will help all of these aspects. All you need to stay younger, all you need to delay aging is to synchronize your body. That's all you need. But how do you do that? There's two machines in this world that do that: Virtual Gym and IELLIOS. Period. That's it.
Okay. Got it? Yeah. Thank you so much. So we will send us the